What is it like to be a landlord? Number one, treat it like a business. This is indeed a business and you have to make sure that you operate it the same way. Number two, learn the rules of the condo. There's different condos, there are different houses. You need to make sure that you know the rules and you become familiar with them. Number three, make sure that you get yourself an insurance as well as that your tenant gets a tenant insurance as well. Number five, be ready for anything that might go with this apartment wrong. You need to make sure that you have all the professional contacts, so if something happens, you can right away take care of this issue immediately. The other thing that you need to keep in mind is communication. Make sure there is a clear way of communicating, whether it's text messaging or calling, but you want to make sure that you are always available to answer the questions, and if you're not, make sure that you get back to them right away. Now, let's talk about screening and making sure that you hire the right tenant. So what you want to make sure is, first of all, that your agent will do the right job to screen the applications. Also, make sure that you take the time to consider options such as reference. Reference, it's a big deal. And lastly, this is a business, treat it like a business. Have an amazing time with that, but also be professional. When it comes to communicating with your tenant, show authority. Don't become their buddies, because buddies will abuse your rental. Have an amazing day.